Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a walkthrough video on the 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. Perfect size center console for starting out or the seasoned offshore veteran. You can see we do have the automatic anchor. Makes ease of anchoring up over the fish or a day at the beach. Very spacious bow seating. You do have some rod holders, storage and cooler underneath the forward seat as well as the forward-facing console seat. Very wide pass-through by the console. So let's just step aboard and take a look. See, we do have the second live well on the port quarter of the boat, powered by a 300 horsepower V8 Mercury Verada outboard for smooth and quiet, refined performance. Telescoping boarding ladder, nice handhold to make ease of entry, and cockpit door opens in for very easy pass-through to gain entry into the boat. In this configuration, we'll see we have a very nice sized cockpit, plenty of room for fishing or walking around while entertaining for the day. But very comfortable and easily convertible seating, integrated and engineered right into the boat. Simply folds out from the transom. Here we have our leaning post seat. Very comfortable. Backrest does go forward if you choose to drive standing up. Also a rear facing seat, but underneath is our additional live well. So plenty of bait storage. It is insulated, so you can keep it clean, use that for a cooler as well. Plenty of dash space for integrated electronics of your choosing. We do have the glove box with electrical plug-ins, Fusion stereo, JL audio speakers, full digital controls with power steering. You can see how the gunnels kind of bump out here to make ease of access to the bow. It does have a very nice size head. And again, the very comfortable forward seating. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give me a call, come on down and see our in-stock inventory, or set up a demo and get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you on the water soon.